Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color Rumi character from Kpop Demon Hunters. Let's start drawing. First we'll draw Rumi's ear. Then we'll draw her face. We'll draw Rumi's hair. Her braided hair looks so cute! Now we're going to draw her eyebrows. Rumi's eyes. Her nose. And Rumi's mouth. Now we're drawing Rumi's neck. We're drawing her wonderful clothes. That is the most fun part. We're drawing the frame. We finished drawing of Rumi from Kpop Demon Hunters. Let's start coloring. Purple for her hair. Cream for her skin. Purple again. Pink for her mouth. And pink for eyebrows. Brown for her eyes. Orange. Yellow. Black. Pink for background. Now we will use this black marker to make drawing more visible. Wow! We finished drawing and coloring of Rumi from Kpop Demon Hunters. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.